The biggest problem of the students that they do not have that surrounding wherein they can communicate in English. This is the biggest problem of the students, especially of Hindi medium students. They do not have that atmosphere around them wherein they can find such people with whom they can speak in English or they can conversate in English. So what should be the solution for this problem? For such students who do not have that atmosphere around them, I would like to suggest that they should create such atmosphere around them so that they can also find such people with whom they can communicate in English. They have to create such atmosphere. If I talk about my own experience when I was learning English in 1998, the same problem I was going through. I didn't have any person around me with whom I could speak English or I could practice my spoken English with. That was the biggest problem. I created myself the surrounding wherein I involved myself to practice my spoken English. So the same thing Hindi medium students you have to do. You have to create such surrounding around you wherein you can find such people with whom you can communicate well in English. How you can create such surrounding? You have to be friends with those people. You have to find out the people who are good at English spoken. So you have to be friends with them and you have to start your practice of spoken with them. The benefit of this you'll get from those people that they'll start making you correct. Whenever you speak any wrong sentence, they'll be there to correct you. And also you'll come to know the right pronunciation, the right sentence form, and the right verb management. All the things you will come to know if you make friendship with those people who are very well in English. So this is the solution. You have to find out the solution. I have told you the solution, how you can find out. And there are lots of people you will find easily. Second thing, when you speak English, you have to record your voice. You have to hear your sound, how you pronunciate when you speak English. That will also give you an impact over your spoken English. When you hear your pronunciation, when you hear the words which are pronunciated by you, you will come to know what is the right pronunciation, how they are pronunciated. So record your voice and listen to your voice. That will also improve your spoken English practice. That you have to do. Third one, you can pick some stories to read out. For example, not very big story, some small stories which you can speak in just 2 or 3 minutes. So pick out such stories which are small. They will not consume your much time in speaking. Go through the stories and then try to speak them and record your voice in speaking the stories. So you will come to know whether you are pronunciating the words and sentences correctly or not. If you are not, listen to them again and again. Listen to the right pronunciation of the word and sentence. And how you can go through the right pronunciation. Suppose if you are finding any difficult word and you do not know the right pronunciation of that particular word, you have to copy that particular word and you have to paste it on Google. When you click on Google, you can find out the meaning of that particular word as well as you'll see the volume icon. And when you click on that volume icon, you can hear the right pronunciation of that word. This is the best trick to improve your or to practice your spoken English. Moreover, you can join some online English programs wherein you can find such people with whom you can communicate, and they'll be there to make you correct when you speak English. So this is also this solution. If you go online, if you join any English program, definitely your spoken practice that will be improved. So I think these are the very small steps. Every student can make these steps, and if you take up all these steps, definitely your spoken English or spoken practice that will be improved. So hope you will understand all the resources which I have told you, and if you follow these resources, definitely you will get some benefits from it. Thank you very much for listening to me. If you like my video, please share this video and comment. Thank you very much. Hello students, my name is Satish Srivastav and I am an offline and online spoken English teacher. I bring some new ideas and thoughts to develop the fluency of the students, and if you think that my videos can help you in developing your fluency, or I can assist you, I can help you in improving your spoken English, you can contact me. My contact details are below the video. So if you need any assistance, you can email me, you can join me on my Skype ID. Thank you very much.